diagram above here, P, Q, and S. P, Q, and S are points with center K. Line KR is a bisector of angle SRQ, this one here. So find figure 1, angle RQP, this angle here, and Roman figure 2, angle SPQ. So we're expected to find the value of this and this. My advice is this: if you have problem like this, please do not draw. Drawing is not part of the marks. Just solve it. And number 2, try and read the question carefully because it might give you it must give you information that will help you solving the problem. So now let's go. So to do it, we now observe and see. Like since K is the center of the circle, so KS and KR are all radius. That means this angle and this side are equal. So it's not a associated triangle in which the bases are equal. That means the angle here, this one are equal. And sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So you remove 80 here. That means angle KRS, angle KRS is equal to angle RSK is equal to 100 over 2, which is 50 degrees. So this one is 50 degrees, this one too is 50 degrees. Let's continue. So the angle from here to here will be now 91 degrees. So we can use it to find the value of RQP. So as you can see, RSP. So RSP plus RQP will be equal to 180 degrees. Reason: opposite angle of a circle quadrilateral. So RSP that means 91 degrees plus RQP will be equal to 180 degrees. So RQP will be equal to 180 degrees minus 91 degrees. Therefore, RQP will be equal to 89 degrees. 89 degrees. So you have gotten the first one. Now the second one, we are also trying to find the value of SPQ. That's this one. That's this one. We are still going to use the same method, opposite angle of a CQ. So we must first of all find the value of this one so that you can add. But remember, they say what? KR is a bisector of angle SRQ. That means this line here divides this angle into two equal parts. That's the meaning of bisector. Bisect two equal parts. They didn't say divides. Bisector divides into two equal parts. That means this place is 50. So everything here now will be 100. Yes. So angle angle SRQ plus SPQ SPQ equals to 180 degrees. Reason: opposite angle of a side quadrilateral asymmetry. So you already know the value of R of SRQ. That is SRQ, which is 100 degrees, because this plus this plus SPQ equals to 180 degrees. So SPQ will be equals to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So SPQ will be equals to 80 degrees. And that is the final.